Hello friends, we are given with differential equation that is x cube y cube minus 3x squared y double dash plus 6y dash minus 6y equal to 0. They were given the initial condition y of 1 equal to 5 and y dash of 1 equal to 15 and y double dash of 1 equal to 32. We are given that is y1 equal to x, y2 equal to x squared, y3 equal to x cube are linearly independent solution. Therefore, y of x equal to c1 y1 C2 y2 plus C3 y3. After substituting those values of y1, y2, y3, we get y of x equal to c1x plus c2 x squared plus c3 x cube. We have to differentiate this y of x. Therefore, y dash of x is nothing but c1 plus 2c2x plus 3c3x squared, and y double dash of x equal to 2c2 plus 6c3x. Therefore, substituting the given linearly independent solution condition, therefore